Same thing, baby. Come on. Come on. You know what to do. Work on getting his back. Get your takedown. Get down and get your takedown. No. Get down. There you go. Go. Get down. Get your underhooks. Get your posture. There you go. Work that arm. Come on. Stay north-south. Work that arm. Go. Hips up. Triangle. Get it. Finish it. Work the thumb.
Thumb up, Elijah. Thumb up. Thumb up, Elijah.
Get that triangle. Work for that triangle. Go, AJ. Get him down.
Donald Gillett, ring 15. Don Hendrickson, ring 15.
Come on. Work it.
Rick Bellamy, ring 15. Seth Lieber.
Set something up, Elijah. Come on. Work your grips. Work your grips. Look at that reverse. There you go. Get up. Watch your legs. Posture up. There you go. Trap his knee next time. Posture up. Watch your elbows. Get your arm out of there. Don't let him control your grips. Come on, you posture up. Control your grips.
Bedford from Team Luder. You're needed at ring 10 with your gi on. You're on the mat. Toad Bedford, Team Luder. Ring 10 with your gi on.
Elijah, when his legs are uncrossed, you got to posture up and get out.
Move around, Elijah. Get up.
Trapping the leg. When he releases his guard, you got to start trapping. Get your arms out of there. All together. Come out.
There we go.
Get your weight on his leg. Keep your weight on his leg and come all the way around. Sit out. Don't let him do that.
Elijah, no.
Posture up. Let's do it again. Come on, get up. Sit out. Get your underhook. Okay, posture back up and control the grips. Posture up. Don't you let them elbows get by. You got 30 seconds.
Make something happen, Elijah.
Come on, posture up, get your knee in the tailbone and keep your balance. There you go. Go! Keep going. Hey, Elijah, 2-0. Don't you get scored on. Score! You score. You do the score. Get those points, Elijah. You get that takedown, Elijah. You get that takedown. You get it. You get that takedown. Good job.
There it is.
Good. That's why I kept on him, because I didn't want him to tie it up. He could have accidentally slipped Phil on the 2-2.
I know. 2 point.
Good.